A Scrum Master has a skill set in 4 different domains. We are a teacher, coach, mentor, facilitator. Do you realize that skill set is applicable anywhere? Any team wants that, whether you're a Scrum Master or not. So let's take away the title for a moment and just look at the pure skill set. Thus the title of the book, Leveraging Your Scrum Expertise for Wealth. Mostly what we do in the Scrum Master is communicating. Depending upon when you look at it, you go on your favorite search engine right now and research what are the top soft skills you need in the workplace. You're going to get leadership. You're definitely going to get communication. Definitely going to be in the top 5. We have those skill sets, whether we're a Scrum Master or not, whether we're employed as a Scrum Master or not. Just help you think out of the box a little bit. Yes, the title of this course is Serial Scrum Master, but it's more about the skill set that we have versus the title. Have you ever experienced more money than your money? I've experienced that too. So my question to you is, why are you allowing that to happen? Because you have a very unique skill set that if you know how to package that skill set will pay you beautiful dividends and increase earning potential for you and your family. But you got to know how to package it. Let's shift that experience and create more money than month, because this is how you build true wealth. Creating wealth is not difficult. The math is really very simple. You have to have more money coming in than money going out. So the more money that you can keep in the house, the family, your bank account, whatever that may look like for you in your situation, the faster you're going to get the wealth. But that is the basic, equation for creating wealth or financial independence for yourself. You got to have more money coming in than money going out. With more money coming in, you can take that money now and invest it in whatever it is you like and do for your family, so that you can have that money working for you so that you can get to the financial destination that you're trying to get to. This is what this is all about. Very nice. My first year, my best investment in life was when I invested in myself. Been to colleges and universities, paid thousands of dollars to get those degrees. And when I look at the return on investment, those degrees probably yielded me maybe a $5,000 a year increase from what I was making before I had the degree. When I got my MBA, maybe got a $10,000 increase as a result of having that degree. But check this out. I spent approximately $80,000 for my MBA degree alone. It's not good math, is it? No, I spent $80,000 and I got a $10,000 raise. That don't make sense. In 2018, I spent $20,000 on personal development, going to different Scrum classes, getting books, whatever I thought I needed to become a great Scrum Master, to become a great Scrum and Agile practitioner. I really wanted to be the best of the best. That's one thing I took away from my father. He always taught me, hey, whatever it is you're going to do in life, I don't care if you're a garbage man, I don't care if you're a dishwasher, whatever it is you're going to be the very best at what it is you do. So, okay, Dad. That's one of the principles I've always lived with. That money I spent that year paid for itself exponentially over the next 3 years, because that was the seed I planted in 2018 for in 2022 in order for me to make $1 million in 1 year. I have heard that the more you learn, the more you earn. It is very, very true. Let's spend a little time and talk about the appendix. As I was writing this book and putting all these things together, I'm like, what tools are you going to need, or what things need to be in place? Now, one of the things that are in there that I hope will get you super duper excited is I did a Serial Scrum Master income forecaster. I like to play with numbers. If I do this, how much am I going to make? If I do that, how much am I going to make? So I put that in a spreadsheet. So when you get to that spreadsheet, you start playing with those numbers, and if I'm making this amount of money per hour, if I'm making this amount of money per year, oh my God, if that didn't get you excited, I'm like, you might want to check your pulse. All that's in the appendix. It's not about hitting the millionaire milestone someday. It's about accelerating your trajectory as a Scrum Master. Why wait a decade when the path to becoming a Serial Scrum Master and achieving financial independence could be as short as 2 to 5 years? I'm here to empower you to generate wealth that enables investments in your greatest asset, you. I envision you attending the masterclass with the confidence of financial freedom and investing without hesitation. Start this transformative journey now. Perhaps you felt the pinch of more month than money. Let's flip the script. It's time to create more money than month. Here's where it starts. Mastering Millionaires, it's about building lasting generational wealth for you and your family. Your grandkids will appreciate you for doing this. Mastering Millionaires is your guide to potentially expanding your financial capacity so that you're not just surviving, but thriving and moving closer to wealth each and every month. Click below for your copy. Start reading, writing, listening, and watching it today. Your path to success and journey begins now. I look forward to seeing you in the next step to give yourself a 100% raise challenge. And I look forward to seeing you in the Serial Scrum Masterclass. I'll see you soon. And as always, be agile, do Scrum, and I wish you to be super duper legendary in all of your endeavors. I look forward to teaching you all that I got for you. Have an amazing day.